Which neighbor is secretly worth $5 million? Two neighbors own similar incomes. One retires wealthy, the other struggles financially. Can you guess who's secretly worth $5 million? Let's listen to the doodle conversation. Alex, obviously the guy with the sports car. Emma, let's see if you're right. The answer will surprise you. The millionaire isn't the flashy spender. It's the ordinary neighbor who quietly automated saving and investing for decades while living below their means. Alex, wait, the ordinary guy? I thought the luxury car owner was rich. Emma, appearances can be deceiving. Real wealth is often invisible. How can anyone do this? The difference wasn't a higher salary or a lucky investment. It was a simple financial system running automatically every month. Let's explore the timeless principles behind this powerful idea. Alex, so I don't need to be rich before I can build wealth? Emma, exactly. You don't need money first. You need the right habits. Why this book changed personal finance forever. Imagine waking up one day and realizing you're financially secure, not because you worked longer hours or made risky bets, but because your money quietly worked for you every single month. That's the promise of the Automatic Millionaire. The routing switchboard automatically directs every paycheck into savings, investments, and expenses, building wealth without effort. The architecture of peace. Automation creates financial security and emotional freedom, leading to a stress-free, guilt-free life. The biggest myth about becoming rich. Many believe a high income creates wealth. It doesn't. As income grows, spending often grows too. Real wealth comes from consistently saving and investing. That's why ordinary workers often retire richer than many high earners. Part 1. The myths that keep people broke. Myth number 1, you need to earn a lot to get rich. David Bach opens the book with a surprising insight. Most millionaires are not high earners. They are consistent earners. Time and automation function as parallel compounding engines. Small, automated early deposits compound over time, creating exponential wealth growth with minimal effort. The system firewall ensures uninterrupted engine operation. Emergency funds protect your investments, keeping wealth compounding through life setbacks. The primary routing valve extracts wealth before friction occurs. Pay yourself first by automatically directing income to wealth before expenses or spending temptations. Myth number 2, budgeting is the key to wealth. Traditional advice says, track every rupee, cut every coffee. Bach says, that's exhausting and unnecessary. Most people fail at budgeting because it relies on constant discipline. Instead, Bach introduces a smarter idea. Part 2, pay yourself first. The golden rule, the core principle of the Automatic Millionaire. Before bills, before rent, before lifestyle. Pay yourself first. This means saving and investing before you spend anything else. How much should you pay yourself first? David Bach recommends at least 10%, ideally 15% or more, automatically deducted. Not someday, not when expenses go down, now. Let's take an example of corporate employee with salary automation. Meet Ali, a mid-level corporate employee. Before, salary comes in, expenses eat everything. Savings equals leftovers. After automation, 15% auto-invested on payday. Emergency fund auto-funded. Lifestyle adjusted naturally. Conversation snippet. I didn't feel poorer, Ali says. I just stopped seeing the money. That's the magic. Part 3, the power of automation. Why automation beats motivation. Motivation fades, automation doesn't. Bach explains, if you don't see the money, you won't spend it. Automation removes emotional decisions, procrastination, financial guilt. What should be automated? 1. Retirement investing. 2. Emergency savings. 3. Mortgage payments. 4. Insurance premiums. 5. Debt repayment. Once automated, wealth becomes inevitable. It comes from small decisions repeated automatically. Consistent automated investing beats luck and shortcuts, creating lasting wealth through compound growth. 2 distinct paradigms for financial independence. Choose the architect. Small automated decisions create lasting wealth, peace, and financial freedom. A system so simple, it works even when you forget about it. Automation removes magnitude is simply a byproduct of consistency. Small automated decisions, repeated consistently, remove luck and create inevitable long-term wealth. Will I automate my future or leave it to chance? Choose automation over luck. Small, consistent actions create lasting wealth and financial freedom. Part 4. The Latte Factor. Small things matter. What is the latte factor? The latte factor is Bach's most famous idea. It's not about coffee. It's about unnoticed daily spending. Subscriptions, convenience food, impulse purchases. 300 rupees a day doesn't feel like much. But invested over 30 years, it becomes millions. Let's take an example of tech professional and subscriptions. Meet Jackson, a software engineer. He had 7 subscriptions, daily food delivery, app upgrades. By redirecting just one expense into investments, Jackson, I didn't give up comfort, I upgraded my future. Part 5. Start early. Time is your biggest ally. The magic of compound interest. Bach emphasizes time matters more than timing. Starting early beats investing more later. Simple comparison. Person A starts at 25, invests small. Person B starts at 35, invests double. Result? Person A ends up wealthier. Young graduate versus late starting. Meet Jacob, age 23. Meet Michael, age 35. Jacob invests early. Michael waits for more income. I thought I had time, Bilal says. Time was the cost. Part 6. Home ownership, automatic wealth builder. Why Bach loves home ownership. Your mortgage forces saving, builds equity, protects against rent inflation. Bach calls it a forced investment plan. Let's take an example of middle-class family buying early. Meet Jemima and Peter. They bought early, lived modestly, paid extra automatically. We weren't flipping houses, we were building freedom. Part 7. Protecting your automatic millionaire plan. Insurance is not optional. Bach stresses life insurance, disability insurance, health coverage. Without protection, one event can destroy decades of progress. Let's take an example of entrepreneur without protection. Meet David, a business owner. No insurance, one accident, savings wiped out. David, I automated wealth, but forgot to automate protection. Part 8. The Automatic Millionaire Lifestyle. Living rich without feeling deprived. Bach makes one thing clear. This is not about living cheaply. It's about spending consciously, eliminating guilt, aligning money with values. When savings are automatic, spending becomes enjoyable, decisions become stress-free. Financial freedom means more choices. Money isn't just about buying things. Financial freedom gives you more choices, less stress, and greater control over your time. Traditional financial advice requires impossible perfection. Budgeting alone causes burnout, and high income alone doesn't create wealth. Consistent automated habits do. The millionaire habit. Save automatically, invest consistently, spend wisely, and think long-term. Wealth is rarely built overnight. Small automatic habits repeated over many years can create extraordinary financial results. The 1-hour automatic millionaire plan. David Bach claims you can set this up in 1 hour. Steps: 1. Open automatic investment account. 2. Set payroll deductions. 3. Automate bills. 4. Review annually. After that, live your life. Conclusion: the quiet path to wealth. The Automatic Millionaire is not flashy. It doesn't promise shortcuts. It doesn't rely on luck. It offers something better. A system so simple, it works even when you forget about it. Wealth doesn't come from big wins. It comes from small decisions repeated automatically. So the question isn't, Can I become a millionaire? The real question is, will I automate? If you found this animated book summary valuable, like, share, and subscribe. Share it with someone who needs financial peace. Comment below. What's the first action you'll take to build your financial future? Your future self will thank you.